AI starts with trust, but most data isn't ready. Poor quality, unknown lineage, and inconsistent formats. It's why so many AI initiatives fall flat. If your foundation's shaky, the whole thing cracks. You don't just need to move data, you need to trust it, transform it, and be confident that it's governed and reliable. So, what does a strong foundation look like? It delivers AI-ready data from the start. It tracks quality, lineage, and usage, protects sensitive data, enables self-service with curated, governed data products, all powered by end-to-end metadata, driving insights, automation, and accelerated business outcomes. Qlik Talend Cloud makes it real, with pipeline-native data quality right where it matters, so you can transform, standardize, enrich, and enhance data with confidence. Qlik Trust Score checks fitness for AI and analytics, and governance is built in, keeping you in charge without blocking innovation. Unified metadata ensures both access and control. Track data end-to-end, where it comes from, how it flows, and how it's used. Monitor quality and trust with automated alerts, and define semantic types to protect sensitive data without slowing people down. Qlik closes the gap between business and IT. Producers curate and govern, and consumers find what they need, all through a marketplace built for speed and trust. And because it's built to support virtually any source, system, or destination, on-prem, cloud, or hybrid, Qlik Talend Cloud gives you complete flexibility and a trusted foundation for AI, analytics, and operational excellence. Get started for free